Hello, today we will guide you through how to set stop loss and take profit in GMGN AI. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the basic process of setting up automatic risk management for a trade inside GMGN AI. Stop loss and take profit settings are useful because they help you define your exit plan in advance. A stop loss can help limit downside if the price moves against you, while a take profit can help lock in gains once your target is reached. To begin, open GMGN AI and go to the Sol Trenches page. This is where you can browse tokens and access the trading interface. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section and that the market data is visible on screen. Having the right token page open is important before you set any trading automation. Next, click on a sample coin from the list. This will open the coin's trading page where you can view price movement, trading activity, and the controls related to buying, selling, and automation. If you are just learning, using a sample coin is a good way to understand the layout before applying these settings to an active trade. After the coin page opens, look to the right side of the interface and click on Auto. This area contains the automatic trading options connected to that token. It's designed to help you preset actions instead of manually watching the chart the entire time. This can be especially helpful in fast-moving markets where prices can change quickly. Once the auto panel is open, click on Set. This opens the area where you can define your stop loss and take profit values. At this stage, the platform is asking you what conditions should trigger an automatic exit. Now enter a sample take profit value and a sample stop loss value. The take profit tells the platform when to secure gains if the price rises to your target. The stop loss tells it when to exit if the price drops to a level you're no longer comfortable holding. As you enter these values, make sure they match your trading plan and risk tolerance. It's a good habit to review the numbers carefully before confirming, since even a small input error can affect how the trade behaves. That's the full process for setting stop loss and take profit in GMGN AI. Once you're comfortable with the workflow, you can repeat the same steps for other tokens as needed.